Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix always on display not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb if you want to fix this problem. So make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option. After click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.